Hey, what's going on? It's the Unpopular Populist. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. The other day, I was actually reading an article on Bank of America, and this just shows you how big banks continue to prey on low-income Americans. And according to the Wall Street Journal, it says Bank of America has eliminated a free checking account popular with lower income customers, requiring them to keep more money at the bank to avoid a monthly fee. This month, people who had e-banking were switched into accounts that charge a $12 monthly fee unless the customer has a direct deposit of $250 or more, or a minimum daily balance of $1,500. Some e-banking customers were switched over as early as 2015. The accounts had no monthly fee as long as customers didn't use a bank teller for routine transactions and agreed to receive their statements online. Okay, this is an example of class warfare, folks. I mean, let's be honest. Who do you know, or who should I say, who do you know that's low income that has at least $1,500 in their bank account at any given time? In a 2015 survey, about half of millennials said they have less than $1,000 in savings. So you can talk to any of your friends and at least half of them will not be able to handle an emergency over $1,000. And I know that many of us are in college or went to college, and we know how hard it is to make ends meet. Many of us have overdrafted or had to pay one fee or another. So a monthly fee of $12 could cause some people to overdraft in their accounts. And that can be more than the $12 monthly fee that you're actually going to be paying if you did have that money in your account. Of course, this results in a bigger negative balance and more revenue for a bank that already rakes in billions of dollars a year. And to add insult to injury, Bank of America, along with the rest of the country's top banks, will get $3.5 billion in tax cuts because of the GOP tax plan that was recently passed. And this is according to Goldman Sachs, and they are one of the biggest perpetrators of the 2008 crash. So this may actually be an underestimate. And recently, Bank of America was actually praised by the Trump administration when they said that they would use their tax savings to help employees in the form of bonuses for all 145,000 of them. But let's be real here. 145 million is nothing compared to the $3.5 billion in tax savings they will get. And this is an activist podcast, so I do want to leave you with something that you can do to change this. One of the things that you can do is join a credit union. A credit union is a smaller, usually local, nonprofit, and is owned by their members. Therefore, they won't gamble with your money, the officials are elected by us, and their interest rates are better. Being a member of a bank is really only better if you need to travel a lot like I tend to do. Well, guys, I hope this segment left you better informed to make a better decision financially. And just a reminder, I'll be releasing a 10-part series on topics that I believe are important to the American people and why. To stay up to date, follow me on Twitter at LeftPopulist, and I also recently created an Instagram at LeftPopulist. This is the Unpopular Populist signing off to remind you to get out and get active. All right, talk to you guys soon.